I'll hold it. We had the same. Here, now I need light.
Oh girl, I knew it. It's good that you went first because then I could see the eye of this.
Andre was doing all the screwing and unscrewing on my side. I was just there for the demo.
Moral support.
And moral support.
You're like those home improvement shows where you like get the hammer and break shit.
Demo's my favorite part. Okay, now here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 4 more that have to come out of here. Yeah. So
The
there's
track.
4.
Gotcha.
Grinding, sanding. It should be up on the roof, Peter.
Probably not enough. You went to
The screws, yeah.
where'd they go? These over at Beachford.
Oh, girl, where's the screws? Oh, they're right here. Right
They're
here.
on the floor.
Right there.
The floorboards.
Right there.
Tuesday's their day there, isn't it? Or something.
Well.
Woo. How's it coming, Andre?
Slow but sure. Getting the remnants of what the seam sealer out
Was.
yeah. It used to be somewhat pliable, is now not.
Hardened goo. Hardened goo.
He asked for things with my name.
I need a smaller chisel.
Brake clean? Yeah, brake. 5 by the case. There we go. What we want to do,
Oh, look, there's the light.
we want a properly clean substrate. And the reason we want a clean substrate is that filler doesn't stick all that well to paint or primer. And if you look at that black Eldorado Rome, there are some bubbles in it where I suspect somebody tried to cheat in the filling process. If you do it right, the filler will stay on the metal for 1970. What is 78? 45 years? Okay. I got a car I redid in 78. The filler is still on the benders. So, you know, it will stay a long time. Now this looks okay. What we've done is we've filled a series of rust holes that were in this trim area. But if you run your finger across it, it's rough. You'll feel this one's still a little high. We probably won't put any filler there, but we'll do this one, we'll do this one. Filler is a 2-part resin and hardener mix.